Do you dream of earning high commissions and achieving financial freedom? Imagine working from anywhere and making money while you sleep. But where to start? How to begin? The world of affiliate marketing can seem so overwhelming. That's where we come in. At Affiliate Indian, we have the blueprint to your success. Join our community of high achievers and learn the proven strategies to make money online. Now listen to our mentor what he has to say.
It is not about bragging, but it is just to inspire you and to make you know that what is possible using affiliate marketing and the things that we teach inside Affiliate Indians.
Our training is designed to take you from beginner to pro with step-by-step guidance every step of the way. Picture yourself earning high commissions, gaining financial freedom, and living life on your own terms. Don't wait, the time is start now. Click the link in our bio or description to join Affiliate Indian today. Affiliate Indian, we teach you on, सिखाएंगे हम, कमाएंगे आप. Join now.